Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. This one does come with a sports package with a sports exterior and interior look. Silk beige MB Tex interior. Sunroof. E350 badging. Clean set of floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Power lift gate. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, rear shade, dual climate controls, black matte ash wood trim, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This E350 has 22,642 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.